staplers are almost always broken for the same reason. The reason is this, is that they are operated by teenagers. And teenagers use staplers in a particular way. What they do is they line it up like this, put it in there, and then they stick it as hard as they can because they think it's the only way you can get it through the paper. And when you do that. So, what I've done is I've gone and purchased a symbol. This is the red swing line stapler, the same one that you see in office. This is the Ferrari of staplers, the best stapler on the market. It is a well-oiled machine. It is a perfect machine. And it is a symbol of this classroom's community, of our classroom experience. And in fact, this is not just my stapler, this is your stapler. And every student who follows you, their stapler as well. No! No! Once I'm fired, then I get to become my stapler. So, already. You should not feed on the stapler. The stapler does not need to be beat on. A well-made machine should just be. One way to do it is you can just press your hand on it. You can use your whole body weight. I got my full weight on this. Now, if you're afraid that if you're going to do this, you use this and you snap it. An alternative, you can pick it up and use your grip strength. Not satisfying it is? And you will not have the grip strength to crush a swing line stapler. Nobody does.
Superman.
And my hope is that in maybe 40 years or something, you would come back to my classroom and, hey, Faulkner, what's going on? How you been? I've got kids. I got this going on. And you're like, that's that same swing line. And maybe the paint would be weathered off the top, but you'd be able to pick it up and still feel that. So with that said, who would like to try the same?
Me. No, I don't know. What's wrong with it?
It shocks you when you do it.
That's what I'm thinking.